A very good morning, students. Today we will start the third chapter of the book A Pact with the Sun, and the name of the chapter is The Shepherd's Treasure. Shepherd means charwaha, जो sheeps or goats को चराता है. Yes, and treasure means jewelries, gold and diamond. Treasure means khazana. So in this story, we will learn about a man who used to live in a village in Iran. Yes, so let's start the story. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. He was very poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. It means that there was a man, shepherd, who used to live in a village in Iran. Okay? And he was a shepherd. He was very poor. Okay, he was not having any money, even he was not having his own house or a small hut. He had never been to school or learned to read and write, for there were few schools in those days. So he never went to school, as there were only few schools on those days, because of which he was not able to read and write. Though poor and uneducated, the shepherd was very wise. So as this shepherd, he was very poor and he was uneducated, was not knowing how to read and write, but still he was very wise. Wise means बहुत ही समझदार था वो. He understood people's sorrows and troubles and helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. So what he used to do is he used to help all the people around him, and he used to take a very proper decision for them. Yes, and whatever they were having problems, he used to solve those problems. Yes, and he was having a very good common sense. Many people came to him for advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. So, just because of his nature, he became very famous in that area, and people used to come to him, discuss all the problems with him, and he used to give a proper solutions to them. Okay, the king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. So as he became so much famous in that area, the king of that area, what he decided was to go and meet this shepherd. Disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule, one day the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived. So what happened? One day the king, he came to meet this shepherd in an appearance of a shepherd. Means he changed his appearance. उसने अपने आप को एक शेपर्ड के जैसे तैयार किया और वो दूसरे शेपर्ड से मिलने चला गया ऑन अ म्यूल. म्यूल मीन्स अ टाइप ऑफ हॉर्स, जिसको हम बोलते हैं खच्चर. ओके, एज सून एज द शेपर्ड सॉ द ट्रैवलर कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द केव, ही रोज टू वेलकम हिम. ही टुक द टायर्ड ट्रैवलर इनसाइड द केव, gave him water to drink and a share of his own meager meal. Now what happened? As this shepherd saw that a shepherd is coming or a traveler is coming towards his cave, so what he did, he welcomed that traveler, the stranger person, and he said to sit there, be comfortable, and he gave water to drink and he gave the meager meal. Meager meal means जो भी बचा हुआ खाना था, जो वो खाना जो उसके लिए बना था, उसमें से जो भी बचा हुआ खाना था उसने अपने गेस्ट को खिलाया. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. Now what this king, he was so much, he rested in that place in a very comfortable manner, और वो इतना खुश था इस shepherd के behavior को देख के. Hospitality means care को देख के. Okay, the caring nature, और उसकी जो समझदारी वाली बातें थी उनको सुनकर king became very much pleased. Okay, impressed. Though still tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." So what this king, as he was already tired, but he had to leave the place in the morning itself. So he went in the morning and he thanked that shepherd for his kindness, the hospitality and the care. For all those things, he thanked the shepherd. Looking straight into the eyes of his guest, the shepherd replied, "Thank you, your majesty, for paying me the compliment of a visit." So this shepherd, he was directly looking towards the eyes of the king, the guest, and he replied as, "Thank you, your majesty." Your majesty means lord. Okay, जिसको हम बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट करके बोलते हैं. Yes, for paying me the compliment, thanking me and giving me the compliment of my behavior. The king was astonished as well as pleased. He is indeed very wise, he thought to himself. I need people like him to work for me. And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. Now as the king was very much pleased, वो इतना खुश था इसके behavior से, and he decided that this type of man I want in my kingdom. So what he decided? He decided that person to appoint as a governor of a small district in that area. Although he rose to power and dignity, the shepherd remained as humble as ever. Now this shepherd, he became a governor of a small district, but as he was having so much power and dignity status, but still his behavior was the same. He was still humble and caring person. Okay, people loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy and goodness. He was kind and just to one and all. His fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country. Now as he was having so much power, he was still the same shepherd. Okay, he used to help people, he used to discuss all the problems with the poor people, and he used to always see all the people in a common frame, means he never used to do any partiality with them. Okay, so soon what happened, his behavior and his goodness was spread throughout that area. His fame was increasing day by day in that area. Okay, and throughout the country he became famous. Now the governors of other provinces grew terrible jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. They said he is very dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money that he collects as tax from the people. Now what happened? As he was becoming famous and famous, the other governors, they started getting jealous from him. And what they started doing? They started telling all the wrong things about him to the king. Okay, and what they said was he is very dishonest person and he always keeps a part of the collected money for himself, and he always used to collect tax and he used to keep with him, and he's gathering all his property. And they also added that he is having a iron chest with him always, in which he is keeping all his collected property in that money and the gold coins, everything is kept in that iron chest, which is always carried by him. Okay, so what they are thinking, that in that iron chest there is a treasure, खजाना है जो ये बाकी लोगों से कलेक्ट करता था. ओके, एंड दे सेड मॉकिंगली, मॉकिंगली मीन्स हंसते हुए, मजाक उड़ाते हुए उन्होंने क्या बोला कि एज ही वॉज एन ऑर्डिनरी शेपर्ड एंड कुड बिहेव नो बेटर, मीन्स एज ही इज ऑलरेडी अ शेपर्ड, सो हिज बिहेवियर विल बी द same as a shepherd. Okay, at first the king did not pay attention to these reports, but how long could he ignore these governors and their endless stories about the shepherd? One thing was certain, the king discovered, the new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time. So what happened, means in the starting this king, he was never paying attention to all these stories because he knew that that shepherd is a very good person. But as he got this news that yes, he is carrying a iron chest always with him, so he was also in a doubt that yes, something is wrong. Okay, so one day the governor was summoned to the palace. He came riding to his camel, and to everyone's delight the famous iron chest was there, fastened securely behind him on the camel's back. So one day what happened, the king called governor to the palace and all the people collected there. Okay. This shepherd, he came riding on his camel, और सब लोग देख रहे थे कि he was having that iron chest also with him. Now the king was angry. He thundered, why do you always carry that iron chest with you? What does it contain? King also wanted that, he also wanted to know that what actually is in that iron chest. So he asked shepherd that why do you always carry that iron chest with you and what does it contain? The governor smiled. He asked his servant to bring in the chest. How eagerly the people standing around waited for the shepherd to be found out. So as all were thinking that there is a treasure in that iron chest and all wanted that All were just excited to open that iron chest. So the shepherd called his people and he said to bring that chest. But how great was their astonishment, and even of the king himself, when the chest was opened. So all were just staring on that iron chest to be opened. No gold or silver or jewels, but an old blanket was all that came out. Holding it up proudly, the shepherd said, "This, my dear master, is my only treasure. I always carry it with me." So when he opened, there was no gold, no silver, no jewelry, but an old blanket. And holding that blanket in his hand, what he said in a very proudly manner, that this, my dear master, is my only treasure. यही मेरा खजाना है जिसको मैं हमेशा लेकर घूमता हूँ. But why do you carry such an ordinary blanket with you? Surely you are the governor of a district, the king asked. So the king asked that why you are carrying out this blanket with you always, as you are a governor of a district. So why you are carrying this blanket? To which the shepherd replied with quiet dignity, "This blanket is my oldest friend. It will still protect me if your majesty should wish to take away my new clothes." Now what he is saying that this is my old blanket. Okay, this is my best friend. This is my old blanket. And this blanket will still protect me when you will take my all status and power. Understood? Means this is the blanket using when I was not a governor. And I still take this blanket because this is the only thing that will protect me when you will throw me out from my governorship. Understood? How pleased the king was, and how embarrassed the jealous governors became to hear the wise man's reply. Now they knew that the shepherd was indeed the humblest and the wisest man in the land. The king made him the governor of a much bigger district that very day. Hearing this reply, he was so much pleased, he was so much happy that yes, this is the only man, this is the humblest man on this earth. Yes, and it was a proof that he was carrying that ordinary blanket with him, means becoming a governor of an area, having so much power, money and dignity, still he has not left that normal blanket. Okay, so the king was so much pleased, so much happy with so much impressed with the shepherd that he made him a governor of much bigger district. And the other governors, they also understood that no, this man is a very good person. I hope you all have understood the story, students. Now, from this story, we can understand that being a simple person is more important than getting all the powers and doing all the bad things. Means from this story, we should understand that we should always be very much kind, caring and loving to each other. Yes, because these people will only help us in difficult problems. Okay, so we should always behave in a very positive, in a very kindly and respectful manner. Understood? Thank you so much, students. Stay blessed.